So this is my vocabulary copy. Let's see, where I have written some vocabulary that I can use in daily conversation. Not only me, but even you also. So wait, I'm going to show you my whole copy. By the way, this is how my notebook looks like. Anyways, so uh, hi there, hi my honeybees. My name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 8 of this series where I share two simple things to improve our English, right? So today I'm going to share my vocabulary copy where I have written some vocabulary, not only vocabulary but the Hindi translation, the English sentence and the synonyms and one paragraph. So this is going to be very helpful video. So today the first thing you have to do today is wait, let me show you my copy, my notebook. I mean, so ignore the background. So see, lesson 1. This is the word and this is similar words. Similar words mean synonym. And this is Hindi meaning, English meaning, example, and one. Wait, what? One paragraph. I have written, hello, my name is Priya and I'm 17 years old. Can you guys see? Like, I was just 17. And I used to write this. By the way, this is my old notebook. And that is why I'm sharing it with you. Right now I'm 21 and I written this all this when I was just 17 years old. So see, my hobby is dancing. I live in Bihar and I'm currently studying. I want to learn English because I want to improve myself. Yes, this is why I want to learn English because I want to improve myself. So, uh, this is lesson 1. This is lesson 2. Don't worry, I'm going to share the PDF in the description box. Okay. And if my PDFs are helping you even a little, please comment one, at least one comment. Write one comment in the comment box. So this is lesson 3. I'm only sharing 7 lessons for this video. Fine. Hmm. These are very beginner friendly vocabularies. Yes. Lesson 6 and the last one, lesson 7. I have written like more than 7 lessons, but I'm not going to share all of that because you will guys feel bored. So first of all, today you have to do is write all the 7 lessons in your notebook. Every day just write 2 lessons in your notebook, okay, and send me the photos on my Instagram. This is my Instagram. You can send it, you can send the photo, you can send the picture of your notes. Like, I want to see if you have written or not. Fine, so you can send your written notes in my DMs. So the first thing today you have to do is write 7 lessons in your notebook. Not like एक साथ सब एक बार मत लिख लेना, ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं. So every day just write 2 lessons in your notebook. And one more thing, you have to learn them. Yes, you have to learn them and you have to use them in your conversation. This is the second thing you have to do. What is the second thing? You have to speak. You have to use the words that I have given. Fine, this is very simple, bro. Let me read it let me read uh some basic vocabularies. Just like, see, yell. Yell means shout or howl. दर्द या आश्चर्य से चिल्लाना, like you see, aloud. ये this is English meaning, this is Hindi meaning. Aloud, sharp cry of pain or surprise. Who is yelling? Please ignore the background. My mom is just giving the medicine, eh, giving the medicine to the street dog because he's not well, and I'm just recording video here. Bro. Oh, forget it. So see, I didn't write the Hindi meaning in 7 lessons, but in 8 lesson. In the lesson 8, I have written the Hindi translation. See, डॉक्टर किसी को भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाने की शपथ लेते हैं. Doctors take an oath not to harm anyone. So, yeah, I'm not going to share this lesson. Only if you want, like, if you guys want, I can share, but not in this video, not in this video's description, not in this video's PDF. Yes, so that is it. Wait, is there anything? Wait. So see, every in every lessons you will get 3 vocabularies with English meaning, Hindi meaning, and 3 examples. And see, here I have written one paragraph about, like, it's just a random paragraph. Just like, see, I'm reading it for you. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between moon and sun. They both shine when it's their own time. Bro, I'm going to make a video on this. Wow, don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between moon and sun. They both shine when it's their own time. And in lesson 5, here is the, yeah. I want to read you the best line I've ever heard in my life. Sometimes when you are in a dark place, you think you have been buried, but actually you have been planted. It means that sometimes when you're in a dark place, you think you have been, अरे इसका मतलब क्या था? I'm actually forgetting it. So when you don't know uh about anything, just ask it to ChatGPT, bro. We live in, like, this generation. So open ChatGPT and ask, hey Kitty, can you tell me the meaning of this in very simple way? I want to read you the best line I've ever heard in my life. Sometimes when you're in a dark place, you think you have been buried, but actually you have been planted. Can you tell me the meaning of this? Because I'm just confusing a little bit. Tell me in very simple way. Bro, we are living in this generation. We have AIs. We have so many options to improve our English, but we guys are not even using it. So simple meaning is, sometimes bad situations are not the end of your story, they are the beginning of your growth. Oh, okay. अरे ये दिखता क्यों नहीं है? See, meaning, sometimes bad situations are not the end of your story, they are the beginning of your growth. Good. So this is what ChatGPT. अरे यार ये give me, wait, it's not now it's visible, I guess. So this is what ChatGPT told me in very simple way. You might be thinking today my hairs are a little wavy because yesterday I made 2 braids. That's why. That's why my hair is looking a little wavy, but it suits on me, I guess. What do you guys think? And don't worry, guys, I'm going to start grammar series after this series. Yeah, I will post one more video on this series and then right away I will start grammar series. There will be around 6 to 7 videos. Yeah, and I will post on Monday. Wednesday? No, 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 no. Monday, Thursday. No, 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 no. कितने कौन कौन से दिन हम पोस्ट करते थे यार? Monday, Tuesday. हाँ, Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. 3 days I will post. Okay. Yeah, grammar is a little important because you guys are very confusing. Like you guys are just confused. But in my opinion, from my perspective, confidence matters more than grammar. Yes. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you're using my PDF, using my notes, please write down at least one comment in the comment section. Yeah, at least for me. Please. I deserve it. Don't you guys think, huh? So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. And tomorrow I will share my journal. Like tomorrow it will be 7 days. So I will share my journal. Bye bye.